System errors causing the Windows WASAPI Audio Library DLL crashes in OBS Project. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Don't let Windows WASAPI Audio Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Windows WASAPI Audio Library, a low-latency audio capture module used by OBS Studio that interfaces with the Windows Audio Session API, WASAPI. It enables real-time desktop audio capture with minimal delay. If missing, OBS may fail to capture system audio and display errors such as audio source initialization error. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Because Windows WASAPI Audio Library DLL is an embedded file used by OBS Project, it cannot be repaired by standard Windows tools, and you should download the latest version of the affected software to restore the missing library automatically. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Windows WASAPI Audio Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//R, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Remember that Windows WASAPI Audio Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Windows WASAPI Audio Library configuration concepts. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Windows WASAPI Audio Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.